Hello everyone, welcome in my YouTube channel SureClaim Legal. So friends, in this video I'm going to be talking about affordable truck collision attorney for small business fleet accidents. So watch till the end and make sure to like, share and subscribe the YouTube channel SureClaim Legal. Now let's start reading the PDF. Here you can see the PDF is full of the knowledge that you are searching for it, and I hope this will solve all the questions that in your mind. So in the fast paced world of logistics, okay, transportation, small business that operates fleets face unique challenges. A single truck collision can disturb operations, okay, damage reputation and cause financial strain. When such accident happen, having the right legal support is critical, and that's what where SureClaim Legal steps in. Our mission is to connect small business with an experienced affordable truck collision attorney who understand the complexities of fleet related cases. Now let's go ahead. Now here you can see why accidents differ silently from standard vehicle collision. Multiple parties may be involved: drivers, business owners, insurance companies, and sometimes even third party contractors. A skilled collision attorney will not only manage the legal process but also safeguard your company's interest, so that you can easily learn that things. So the common challenges that small business face after a fleet accident include complex liability issues involving multiple vehicle or driving high insurance stake with commercial policies, loss of involving due to downtime, regularly compliance concern related to safety and operations without proper representations. Small business risk costly settlement and prolonged legal battles. Now there you can see at SureClaim Legal, okay, the that affordability matters. Many small business owners hesitate to seek legal help, fearing high fees. Our network of each attorneys offers transparent pricing, flexible uh, structures, payment structures, and all these benefit that you can read it here. Now let me scroll up below point. Here you can see these are the two important points are written at here. Now let's get into it. It one of our fleet vehicles is involved in a collision, quick action can make all the difference. Ensure safety first, check on drivers, others involved, document the accident photos, witness statement and policy reports, notifying your insurance provider immediately, contact a truck collision attorney before speaking to the third party insurance. Now preserve all maintenance and driver logs for legal review. Following these steps helps your attorney build a strong case and increase your chances at of securing favorable compensation. Now, why to choose SureClaim Legal? Okay, here you can see. So our approach is simple. We combine specialized expertise with cost-effective legal solutions. Whether you run a fleet of deliver vans or long-haul trucks, we connect you with attorney who understand your industry, your financial uh, realities. Now you can see the watermark SureClaim Legal. Now this is the last thing that the last page is showing it here. So there we go with the benefits of these things. Now let me go ahead. Key benefits of working with SureClaim Legal: uh, native wide network of written attorney, free initial consultations, legal guidance, uh, tailored to small business, aggressive representation to protect your bottom line. A truck collision can be devastating for a small business, but the right legal partner can turn a crisis into a managing challenge. With SureClaim Legal, you gain access to an affordable truck collision attorney who will fight to protect who will who will fly to protect your small business, minimize your downtime, and secure the compensation you deserve. Yeah, we will surely secure those things. Hope you understand and what the legal process that works with SureClaim Legal, or read it here. Now don't be let a flat accident trail your success. Contact SureClaim Legal today and get the expert which help your business that you needs. Okay, so contact SureClaim today. Contact SureClaim Legal. So you can see the watermark at here. So the all this information regarding our contact information is given below. Now you can read all these important things at here, and whether you have any kind of the solution that you need, comment below in the comment section. Is open for you. I will reply one of all of them, and the PDF will help you to know what the topic is defining affordable truck collision attorney for a small business fleet accidents. So I hope you find this as a valuable content. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any of the update that I upload on my channel SureClaim Legal, and you also comment on this channel. Now bye for now. Later we will discuss a different topic with a different way. Okay, bye.